Imagine a jungle. In this jungle, monkeys don't use money. They use leaves. Yes, leaves. And what do monkeys love the most? Bananas. Always bananas. Now, meet the banana farmers. These are hardworking monkeys who grow bananas every day, but they need leaves to grow more bananas. So they come up with an idea.
Woo!
They divide their banana farm into small pieces and sell those pieces to other monkeys. Congratulations! You just entered the stock market. Each piece of the farm is called a share. So when a monkey buys a share, that monkey owns a tiny part of the banana farm. Now here's where things get interesting. If the farm grows more bananas, more monkeys want those shares. More demand equals banana go up, price go up equals monkey happy. But if the farm has problems, maybe no rain, maybe lazy farmer monkey. Less demand equals banana go down. Price go down equals monkey sad, so monkeys start trading. One monkey buys low, waits, then sells high. Monkey smart equals more leaves. Monkey rich equals more bananas. Monkey very happy. But not all monkeys are smart. Some monkeys see banana go up, and they jump in late. Then suddenly, banana go down. Now monkey stuck. Monkey confused. Monkey sad again. That's the stock market. It's just monkeys buying and selling pieces of banana farms, hoping banana go up. Sometimes monkey wins. Sometimes monkey learns. So next time you hear stock market, just remember, it's all bananas, leaves, and emotional monkeys. And if you enjoyed this, don't be a sad monkey. Be a smart monkey. Please subscribe